नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus, Sarvanyapita Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, everyone sitting with us all over the world, Paramashivaganas, Paramashivoham, Season 8 participants, everyone sitting with us through Kailasa TV, Kailasa's NTV, Kailasa's HNTV, and every way in the social media. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Few things all human beings need to do in this pralaya, the pandemic time. First, myself personally and all Kailasians, all of us offer our sincere prayers to Almighty Paramashiva for the speedy recovery of all those who are affected in this COVID-19 coronavirus, and myself and all the Kailasians offer our sincere, deep prayers to the Almighty Paramashiva to protect the world from this pandemic and all the impact, after effect of this pandemic, the cascading crises, whether joblessness or unemployment, psychological suffering, pandemic fatigue, economic crisis, hunger, diseases, death, depression, all these emotional turmoils, we pray to Almighty Paramashiva to protect the world from all these problems. I sincerely request all the decision makers, leaders, people who impact society, I request all of you, our first priority is to protect people from hunger and extreme poverty. Let us not allow people dying due to hunger and poverty. Surely we will all come out of this pralaya, this pandemic. If we allow people to die due to hunger and extreme poverty, we will not be able to forgive ourselves. So, I request all the decision makers, world leaders, people who really impact the world, please, let's all join hands and alleviate, remove poverty and hunger. Already the international organizations are predicting large number of deaths due to hunger. I think anybody who survives this pandemic, this pralaya, all human beings who will be alive after this pralaya, this pandemic, we won't be able to forgive ourselves for letting people die due to hunger. Hunger deaths will haunt us forever. Let's not allow hunger deaths. I've decided to organize ourselves. See, we were providing services from Kailasa through various ways from 1994. That time, the Yoga Pattabhishekam was done to me. From that time, my gurus have ordained me every possible way we are continuing the services for humanity. Now let us organize ourselves under the new names. So today I am inaugurating 6 organizations. We will organize all our activities and services under these 6 organizations. The first one will be Saffron Om. which will focus on working for world peace, conflict resolution, religious freedom. Second, Red Om, which will be mainly providing relief work. Through this Red Om, now we will start working on removing hunger and poverty all over the world, especially the countries where hunger is expected to kill millions of people as per global organizations' predictions and report. Through the Red Om, we will be providing relief work during natural calamities or man-made calamities. Natural calamities like cyclone, tsunami, and man-made calamities, wars. In every situation, we will provide relief. I have an article to share with you all, news article. UN calls for more funding for poorer nations. UN says response of wealthy countries crassly inadequate as it increases appeal for funds to record 10.3 billion. Cascading crisis. We Hindus, Hindu diaspora all over the world is known for two things. One, we are rich. That's the truth. Richest ethnic minority in all the developed countries, from USA to Europe to Africa to Australia, richest ethnic minority in all the developed countries and many of the major countries are Hindus. If there is a Hindu settlement, I can say almost the richest ethnic minority are Hindus. So we can't deny the fact we are rich. That's one. Second, we are extremely charitable givers. I have seen, not only in my personal experience, even multiple surveys, studies by various universities all over the world on the human behavior and sociology proves again and again Hindus are rich and charitable, great givers. It is time we Hindus organize ourselves under this banner Red Om and start providing relief work, hunger relief all over the world. And I want Kailashians, I sincerely request Kailashians, start doing all these three work. First, finding the need wherever the need for food is there. Reaching out to the governments, countries, decision makers, where really hunger is prevalent and hunger relief need to be done. I want a team to do this research and reach out to all the governments. United Nations has listed out the countries where they expect large number of deaths may happen due to hunger. Let's reach out to them and find out the need. That's the first work. Second, already people have supported us, given us donations. Let's start giving grants and reaching out to people who are really in need and providing food for them. Third, let us reach out to wealthy Hindus who are really charitable and educate them about the service Red Home is providing and ask them to share their time, treasure, talent. I have always seen even the Hindus who don't have treasure will be very happy to share their time and talent, especially when it comes to providing food. Hindus believe that providing food is the highest charity. Undi koduttor, uyir koduttore. Somebody who gives food is equivalent to giving life. So, sincerely, I want a team of Kailashians to focus on this service, identifying providing and inspiring more Hindus for supporting. Let's do all the three activities. Organize ourselves. We were doing all these three, but let us do it organized way under this banner Red Home internationally. Green Home will be the organization working for environmental protection. Let us promote the environmental protection values, reach out all the decision makers and the whole world with these environmental protection activities under this organization, Green Home. The next, Blue Home. The Blue Home will be working for animal rights. We human beings need to know planet Earth does not belong to only human beings. We have no right to eliminate life. We have no right to kill animals for any purpose, for any reason. No right to kill any life. So the Blue Home, under this organization Blue Home, we will start working for animal rights. Understand? Kailasa and Kailashians were providing services various ways throughout the world under various banners, under various organizations. Now, let us all organize ourselves under these 6 organizations: Saffron Om, Red Om, Green Om, Blue Om, and White Om. The White Om will be working to provide psychological healing, emotional healing, spiritual counseling, and superconscious breakthrough. Multiple service activities we were doing. We will organize ourselves under this banner, reach out to the world, let's really make a difference. Let's really make a difference. The 6th organization, Yellow Om, will be providing yogic, Ayurvedic solutions and medical care to the whole world in need. Whoever is in need, the Hindu yogic sciences based, Hindu medicine science based, knowledge assistance, and even medicinal assistance, training, all of it will be provided under the organization Yellow Om. Why yellow? For training and teaching. Guru's color is yellow. Guru, Deva Guru, Brihaspati, his color is yellow. So, to celebrate Deva Guru, Brihaspati, under the Yellow Om, we will be providing all the knowledge related services, including creating libraries, access to libraries to the whole world, and people who are in need of knowledge. All our activities providing knowledge, all will be done under Yellow Om. Under the 6th organization, we will be providing services all over the world in an organized way. As on now, people, all the Hindus are providing all over the world under various thousands of organizations. I should say even millions. Millions of organizations. I request all the Hindus, let's all organize ourselves under this banner and reach out to more and more people providing social services, intense, real, responsible charitable activities and relief works. I request all the Kailasians to take this message to the whole world with the names being introduced. Let us take time to introduce this 6th organization to all the Kailasians and the practicing Hindus today. Saffron Om, Red Om, Green Om, White Om, Yellow Om, Blue Om. Saffron Om will be working for world peace, conflict resolution from individual to the global level. Red Om will be working relief work, providing relief work, whether natural calamities or man-made calamities. And Green Home will be working for environmental protection. Blue Home will be working for animal rights. White Home will be working for psychological healing, spiritual counseling, giving the right understandings, powerful cognitions for people. Yellow Home will be working to provide all the Satvidya, yogic, Ayurvedic, medical solutions, knowledge to the whole world by celebrating Devaguru Brihaspati and the ultimate Adi Guru Dakshinamurti, Paramashiva himself. So under these 6 banners, let us organize ourselves, reach out to the world and provide all the best things we have to the whole world. To sign up, please send email to kailasa.org/global services. And Paramashiva Gana participants can take up this project. Actually, it is nothing but whatever we are already doing. We just need to organize ourselves and inspire more Hindus, practicing Hindus, living Hindus, and people all over the world to be part of this and reach out to the whole world, provide more services. Next. This pralaya, the cascading crisis of this pralaya is really getting serious. Unfortunately, we are not even able to come out of the house to serve the world. That is the worst thing in this crisis. Even if you have a concern for people who are dying, people who are in need, we can't do anything. We can't do anything because for us to be alive, we need to be staying home. UN is calling for more funding for poorer nations, 10.3 billion, because the hunger is going to kill I saw a cartoon which is really paining. Many people have put the mask to protect themselves from COVID-19. But in poorer countries, for many people, mask is put to seal their mouth too because no food. I don't think we can forgive ourselves if we allow people to die due to hunger. Kailasa is responsible to find not only spiritual solutions, we should do whatever charitable activity also. Whatever possible charitable activities also. I request all the Kailasians, let us all become active. even if we can't share treasure, because you may not have it. I request all the Kailashians to share your time and talent. Let us make a platform, bridge, charity bridge between rich and poor. I think that is easy, and Kailashians are responsible for that. Let us make bridge between rich and poor through this Red Om organization. I have one more article. UN makes largest single appeal amid warnings of unprecedented hunger due to pandemic. I'll project the article. United Nations is warning that 265 million people, means 26.5 crore, could be pushed to the point of starvation by the end of this year, 2020. As I expected that December 14th, with the first increase in global poverty since 1990, unless urgent action is taken. I'm projecting that article for all of you to see.
Sri Guru Nada Nitya Guru Nada Sadguru Nitya Jai Guru Deva Sadguru Deva Nitya Guru Deva Mata Nityeshwari Pita Nityeshwara Nitya Puri Nitya Mata Nityeshwari Pita Nityeshwara.
So it is time we provide our time and talent and make a bridge between the rich and poor to reach out. Already half of the countries are facing humanitarian crisis. It is time Kailashians take the responsibility and do everything possible. Next, for all my devotees, disciples, Kailashians, I wanted to convey the great thing happening now during this Pralaya is the Kailasa portal, Stargate, is open. Listen, Stargate for Kailasa is open. A simple unclutching can transport you, teleport you to the Kailasa and give you the experience of Kailasa. Unclutching, completion, oneness, ajapa japa of Mahavagya, deep feeling connection, all these are Stargate for Kailasa. Listen, when you unclutch, the portal inside you called Anandagandha opens and you are transported to Kailasa. As I was telling Paramashivagana participants yesterday, when you unclutch and sit as you, when you unclutch from everything called yours and sit you as you are Paramashiva. You have two components, you, yours. Your body, your mind, your emotions, your thoughts, your mind, your wealth, your relations, all yours. If you, the pure consciousness, unclutch from all yours, the delusions and dilutions, and you sit as pure you are Paramashiva. I request sincerely and bless all the Kailasians to experience pure unclutching, the stargate for Kailasa, and experience Paramashiva. Sincerely, intensely, please sit straight and unclutch. Unclutch from whatever you think as yours and sit as you, pure you, super consciousness. So the portal for Kailasa, stargate for Kailasa can open. You can experience Kailasa, Paramashiva.
रुद्रताण्डव शैलगिरिशा नित्यपुरि नित्या नटन शङ्कर ज्योति विश्वा नित्यपुरि नित्या दामोदर प्रभु नित्यपुरिषा ओंकार प्रभुवे दामोदर प्रभु नित्यपुरिषा ओंकार प्रभुवे शिव शङ्कर गंगाधर हर 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 नित्येश्वरा शिव शङ्कर गंगाधर हर 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 नित्येश्वरा राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यपुरि भगवान राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यपुरि भगवान नीलगंधा प्रणव मर्मा परमहंस नित्या राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यपुरि भगवान नीलगंधा प्रणव मर्मा परमहंस नित्या राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यपुरि भगवान अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी नित्य पराशक्ति सांभवी शंकरी नित्य सर्वेश्वरी शांत स्वरूपिणी दया करो माँ कृपा करो माँ माता नित्येश्वरी दया करो माँ कृपा करो माँ माता नित्येश्वरी नित्य शंकरी कृपा करो माँ अभय प्रदायिनी नित्य शंकरी कृपा करो माँ अभय प्रदायिनी जगत श्री गुरुनाथ नित्य गुरुनाथ सद्गुरु नित्या जय गुरुदेवा सद्गुरु देवा नित्य गुरुदेवा माता नित्येश्वरी पिता नित्येश्वरा नित्य गुरु नित्या माता नित्येश्वरी पिता नित्येश्वरा नित्य गुरु नित्या जय गुरुनाथ सद्गुरुनाथ हर हर नित्य गुरुदेवा जय गुरुनाथ सद्गुरुनाथ हर हर नित्य गुरुदेवा शरणं शरणं नित्य सद्गुरु शरणं 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 नित्य सद्गुरु शरणं नीलगन्धा प्रणवमर्मा परमहंस नित्या राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यभूरि भगवान् नीलगन्धा प्रणवमर्मा परमहंस नित्या राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यभूरि भगवान् रुद्रताण्डव शैलगिरिशा नित्यभुरि नित्या नटन शङ्कर ज्योति विश्वा नित्यभुरि नित्या दामोदर प्रभु नित्यभुरिशा ओङ्कार प्रभुवे दामोदर प्रभु नित्यभुरिशा ओङ्कार प्रभुवे शिव शङ्कर गङ्गाधर हर 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 नित्येश्वरा शिव शङ्कर गङ्गाधर हर 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 नित्येश्वरा राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यभुरि भगवान् राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यभुरि भगवान् नीलगन्धा प्रणवमर्मा परमहंस नित्या 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 राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्य ज्ञानपीठ
श्रीमदात्मने
I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, passing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.